What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Money Moves with K. I am K, and today we're going to talk about a secret trick I want to show you on how to find mobile homes on Zillow for under $10,000, okay? So I'm not going to talk too much. I really want to dive into the content so you can see exactly how to find these mobile homes for cheap, under $10,000. Let's go. All right, so the first of all, we're on Zillow.com, and what I did is I did my little thing, my research, in order to find a couple of properties under $10,000, right? And they're mobile homes, mind you. So keep that in mind as I go through this content. These are mobile homes under $10,000. Now, this first mobile home that I found was in Ohio, okay? So it's for sale for $5,500. Now, the condition of the property, is this a deal or not? You have to consider lot rent as well. So if you don't have your own land, all of these properties are within a mobile home park, so you will have to pay lot rent. You have to decide, is it even worth it for the repair costs and the lot rent? I've heard a lot of people comment in the comment section saying that lot rent is just astronomical. It's very expensive right now, as everything is in the world, to be honest. But keep in mind that it still could be worth it to you in order to purchase this, at a fairly decent price, knowing that you're going in and having to have some repairs being done. Okay. So these are just a couple of pictures of the inside of the property. Again, it's $5,500. Now let me show you the trick. So this was looks like a single wide mobile home. It is a single wide. And let me go back to the listing because it's 1,280 square feet. So it's not too big or not too bad of size. As far as size is concerned. And I want you to always look at the details, and I'm about to get to the trick in just a second. So you see that it was uploaded 12 days ago. That's kind of a good sign. That means that it's still potentially available, but you may have to act fast. Always, as I encourage everybody in all my videos, do your due diligence. All right, on every property, whether it be a mobile home, a residential property, commercial property, a piece of land, of course, all of the above, you do your due diligence. But check this out. Here's the trick. So what you do is you scroll down and you look at who's actually selling the property. Now, this is kind of like a heads up. A lot of these properties are sold by management company, property management companies, or for sale by owner, or actually the the mobile home park manager is putting these properties on Zillow to get more eyeballs on the property so that they can sell the property. They don't want a mobile home in their park just sitting, right? So keep that in mind, that these are one of these three folks. Now, for sale by owner, that's directly with the owner. So that's not the trick here. But what I want you to do is I want you to check out who's actually selling it. And if it's not for sale by owner, I want you to look up the company that's selling it. Now you see her name is Tiffany. There's her number. And then you see this says Bright Star. I don't know how you say that. Fostoria. We'll say it like that. So you're going to Google that. And once you Google that, it'll bring you here. Now I've already Googled it because I did the research prior to recording the video. Now, once you're here, you can see at the very top, it says available homes. It says communities. It says home financing, about, contact us, in residential portal. So what I did is I clicked available homes for sale. That's what we're looking for, homes for sale. And check this out. Not only did I find a property on Zillow for under $10,000, but I also found some properties within the mobile home community for sale as well. So if you're in this area in Ohio, this may, or even if you're not, if you're an investor too, keep that in mind. So this property is being sold for $7,000, $12,000. Let's click on this just as an example. I want to see how it looks on the inside of this mobile home. So it looks like somebody tried to actually fix this property up. As you can see, the different color tiles. That's actually a nice floor. I like that floor. It's pretty decent. So you would need to do your due diligence, like I suggest to everybody, on if this is a good deal, and also the repairs that are needed in order for you to move in. This one is $2,500. Now, mind you, I've already clicked on it. I'll click on it with you guys as well. There are not too many pictures, if any at all. However, Keep in mind that this is like 928 square feet, I do believe. So it's a smaller mobile home. Okay. So it does fit the price, of the mobile home. Because when I saw that, I'm like, woo. But I'm going to show you another one for cheap as well. These are all, in my opinion, affordable. But of course, you got to take into account lot rent. And you also have to take into account the actual repairs needed in order for you to feel comfortable to live in. Okay. So I'll go back. My point is, the trick that I'm showing you is to look at who's actually selling it and go to that website in order to see if there are any more properties they're actually selling on their website. Now, as you recall, this is the home that I saw on Zillow. This is the mobile home that I saw on Zillow, and it's here on their website as well. Okay. So, and this was for $5,500, and they have many, many more variant, pricing, right? So variations of price and what they're selling the property for. And they also have some for rent as well. And it'll tell you, says for rent, $13.50. And these don't have the rent sign, so they're for sale. So backing it all the way up, you can buy this mobile home up here for $2,500. Come on, you gotta, I think with our economy and with the cost of housing, I should say, a lot of times these are options for folks who don't want really bills and they don't want to be in debt. They don't want to go to the bank and get money to actually live. They really want a decent property, something to call their own, and they just want to pay cash for it. And that's perfectly fine, especially now. Okay. So that's one property. I want to show you another example. So this is a property in New Jersey. Okay. Now, whether you think this looks nice or not, just bear with me because the sentiment is the same as far as the trick that I'm going to show you. Right. So 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. They're asking $7,500 for this property, and it's a manufactured home. I always look at when it was built. All right. That's very important. Let's see. Okay. So it says another number down here. So it's a person's number, and then it says Evergreen Estates. So what I did was I Googled Evergreen Estates in New Jersey. This is in New Jersey, right? Yeah, in New Jersey. And it pulled me up here. Okay, Evergreen Estates, a lakeshore community, a premier manufactured home community in Bridgetown, New Jersey. Okay. So go up here and you go to Homes for Sale. And voila, here's the home that we actually saw on Zillow. It's for sale for $7,500. This is also a good way to cross-check these prices and who's selling it, just to make sure it's legit as well. You don't want to get into a situation where sometimes for sale by owner, they may get a bad rep because there are a lot of scams out there. So if you're actually going through the mobile home park or a property management company who is selling the property, then that's a little bit, it gives you a warm and fuzzy, as they say in the military, inside, so that you kind of know, okay, yeah, this is legit, right? And they say Little Flower. Okay, this is another property. Okay, featured home. This is another mobile home that is for sale in the community. When you're looking at these communities, these mobile home communities, they too also have a pride of ownership. So you need to see if this is a fit for you. If it's not, then it's not. Don't try to force it. But this is for sale for $10,000 as well. And it just surpassed my $10,000 or less by $400 there. But the point is, you can find even more properties. Let me see. Okay, so they have one in every area. This one's $19,000 right here. Let me scroll down just a little bit more. It's a 2 bedroom, 1 bath. And I didn't click on all of them. I saw, I think, one more, Pine Hill. Let's see. $195,000. Okay. So these are in New Jersey. Just make sure you click, kind of feel around and see if you see any good deals or if anything interests you. Okay. So I'm trying to hit a little bit of everything. I went from Ohio over here, Ohio, went down to New Jersey. And next we're going to go to, if I remember, Texas. Yes, Texas. So this is a property on Zillow let's look at the picture. So it's 2 bedroom, 1 bath. It's 840 square feet. So it's not a large single wide mobile home. Okay. However, to someone, this could be what they need, all they need, especially for the time being or forever. Right. So let me see. Is that water damage? I don't think so. I think it's just they ripped up the flooring here. Okay. This could be someone's home. And I see so many renovations of mobile homes that I know for a fact that you have to have the vision in order to see something different than what this hole looks like. You have to have the vision to say, I can fix that or I can get it fixed. That's another thing with mobile homes. The repairs are relatively inexpensive is subjective too, because if it's $500 to fix something, it could be a bit pricey for someone who doesn't have the money. But in comparison to a residential property, it is a lot cheaper for repairs. So keep that in mind. Okay. That looks like the dryer duct thingy, I think. I know a washer dryer goes there. I don't know if this is water damage or not sure, or mold. I'm not sure. Can't really see from the pictures. It's just a little dark, but you get the point, right? So again, this is in Texas. So let me show you the little trick here as well. This is a good one. So you scroll down and you see who is actually listing this home, this mobile home for sale. So his name is Victor and he's with Vecno Management. So what I did is I Googled Vecno Management and voila, it pulls up here. Okay. So looks like, from my understanding, it's a property management company and they are listing properties both for rent and for sale. So what I did is I came up here and I said properties. I clicked that. And when I scrolled down, I was looking for that same property and I did come across the property here. This is a mobile home park. So this is the property, the subject property that we found on Zillow. And again, like I said, they have, and by the way, it says $7,000 cash. So they don't want any financing. They don't provide any financing for this. And a lot of these companies do. I think Bright Star, the very first one I went over, offers financing. So keep that in mind. So these are some, let's see. So nothing else here, but I want to show you something else. Once I go back, there's another mobile home park under Vecno Management. Here it is. So this property is in Texas as well, and it's for sale for $3,000. Okay, so let's click on it and see, how it looks, and if you're interested in this. Now, I know it's not the biggest mobile home. I believe is 900 square feet. It's not too big of a mobile home, but again, for somebody, it could be something that they need or all that they need in order to improve their living situation. So it's 2 full bathrooms. It looks like there are 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Okay. And when you buy mobile homes or when you buy a property in general, make sure you are buying with the potential of selling it later. So you have to think, I'm buying a 2 bedroom, 2 bath mobile home. Can I sell or resell this 2 bedroom, 2 bath mobile home later on? It may be a little bit more difficult. Typically a 3-2, whether it be a home or a mobile home, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, they sell a little bit better, but that's not to say that this won't. For $3,000, come on now. If you're seeing this and you're interested, make sure you comment in the section that you're interested in any one of the properties that I've showed you. Or, I'm just curious to see who scoops this up. A lot of times I'll do a video like this and then folks come and say, I try to look that property up again and it's gone. So people really act. You have to be fast, especially when I'm bringing the information to you. And make sure you watch to the end, okay? Because, you're missing out if you don't. You're just watching to support the channel, but how can it benefit you? That's the whole sole reason why I'm here, to help you, all right? That's the end of my video. If you made this far in the video, please comment mobile. Comment mobile. It allows me to know you made it this far in the video, and I truly do appreciate it. Thank you so very much for watching to this point. Until next time, guys, you stay blessed. Peace.